So as I was selecting areas, um, so as I've been dealing with some of the final elements that I'd like to remove from this map, I just was box selecting or rectangular selecting areas and deleting them. And that's all fine, well, and good. But there are other ways of selecting. So if I go to the selection tools, there's, for example, the free select, where I can just go ahead and just draw an area and then double click at the end, and then that area is hit enter, and then I can go ahead and I can delete whatever's inside of there. That comes in very handy if you're into areas that maybe, like in here would be a good example, right? Where I want to do something like this and kind of zigzag through the woods, and that way it comes in pretty nicely as just sort of a convenient way to do that. Another really handy one is I'm looking right here at this circle, uh, and maybe I want to be very precise, and there is an ellipse select. So I can go ahead and I can basically draw a circle around this area. If I don't get it quite right, I can grab at the corners and sort of resize or reshape things ever so slightly. And when I get it to my satisfaction, again, same thing. In this case, I'm just going to push delete and it's gone. So that's great. Now, another one to be familiar with, though, and this is actually one I really love, is for the selection tools using the intelligent scissors. And I think this one is nice because what it'll do is it'll try to sense the edges of an area. And it's not perfect. I mean, there are times where, let's see if it messes up here. Right there. Good example. Where it didn't quite read the edge of this black line. So there are times where it'll make those mistakes, it'll miss things, but overall, it's really impressive tool. And the night, okay, so I've gone back to the beginning. You can go ahead and make adjustments. Oops, I made a mistake there. I accidentally activated it. Um, so we'll come back to that maybe. But the point is now this area is selected, and just like anything else with selection, I can do whatever I want, and it'll only affect that area. I can draw inside of there, I can erase inside of there, or in this particular case, I just simply want to delete what's in there. Okay, so there obviously was that little area I missed. So I'll just come back later and erase that or whatever the case might be. So there's always going to be cleanup issues to consider. But let's just take a look at the select tool again and see if I can mimic, redo it, and make adjustments to it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my intelligent scissors. I will work along the edges. Okay, I see that it already made a mistake. So what I'm going to do is I will grab along the line and I can actually move it and adjust it according to what I would like it to do. And it'll try to adjust accordingly. Still not always perfect, but like I said, overall, it's a pretty impressive tool. I'll grab right there. And we've got almost all of it. I see a little bit there that seems to be missing too. But anyway, click inside of it. Just like I said before, push delete. And it's something that works really nicely. So many ways to select items depending on what you're trying to do. And those are a couple of the ones that I tend to use the most often.